In this video, I am going to discuss how we can create the dynamic remarketing campaigns. So first of all, what are the dynamic remarketing campaigns? These are the campaigns that are used to show our previous visitors ads with the products or the services that they have viewed on our website previously. So one thing, like keep in mind that we can only set up the dynamic remarketing campaigns for only the display network, nothing else. So how this will work? So first of all, we need to create the audience of the website visitors. So I have created the different audiences previously, but the main audience is the all website visitors to my website. So I will use this. So first of all, you need to create the audience for creating this remarketing dynamic remarketing campaign. So I have already created that audience, and then we need to go to the our campaign manager, and then from the campaign we need to create the campaigns. So just click on the plus button and then create new campaign. So right now, these are the objectives I have already discussed with you. I am going with the create a campaign without goal guidance. Then we need to select the display campaign from here, and then from we can select the standard display campaign for retargeting. And here you need to add your final website URL here. So I am adding that the website of my client. So after adding the URL, simply click on the continue. So here will be the different things for the campaign. So first of all, the display, it's asking for the campaign name. So I am adding that dynamic re remarketing campaign. Next, we need to put the location here. Right now, I am creating the campaign for very specific location. So I am adding that location. After adding the location, simply from this, it will ask which we want to target and which we want to exclude. Just go with the recommended options from the Google. Then we can select the language. English is the language is good for me right now. Next is the bidding strategy. Here are the different bidding strategies available, like conversion value, or the viewable impressions, or we can change the bid strategy from here. So it's a target CPA, target ROS, maximize clicks, and these things. So I want maximize clicks right now, or even you can go with the target ROS as well. So then the manual CPC, it's the optional thing. Next, budget. I am adding right now the $10 daily budget. From the additional settings, it's asked for the ad rotation, ad schedule, devices, frequency capping. I have discussed all the things in my previous videos. The main important thing is this option, the dynamic ads. So from the dynamic ads, use click this option, use a data feed or personalized ads. So one thing remember here, we need to add our products in our merchant center before creating these dynamic remarketing campaigns. If you don't have any merchant center account, or you have not attached the merchant center account with the Google Ads, you cannot create this campaign. So I have already attached that, and I am selecting that. I've selected that merchant account. Then it's asking for the product filters. I would right now want no filter from any of my inventory. Then is the conversion, content exclusion, all things are good. Next thing, put a ad group name. Okay, I have put the ad group name. Next, the most important thing from here, there are such different options: search, ideas, and browse. Go to browse, and from here, select the third option, how they have interacted with your business, retarget, remarketing, and similar audience. And from here, click on the website visitors, and from here, select the option or the specific audience that you want to target. So I have selected that. Then it's asking for the dynamic demographics. I want to target all the people who are in this list, so I am not excluding any of the demographics from here. So for the content targeting, do not add any content targeting there. Target expansion, for the retargeting, I always recommend to turn that off because it will cost us a lot of money. Next, click on create ad and new ad, and from here select responsive display ad. So one thing keep in mind here that we need to put the images and logo here, but in the dynamic retargeting campaign, it will use the images from our feeds that we have put them in the merchant center. So for just the ad approval, we need to upload the videos and images here, but in actual situation, when our ads will be live and people are seeing those ads, these images will not appear. So I am just adding random images from my website. So this is the logo. Then click on save. Then it's asking for the headlines. I have already write some of the headlines. You can add up to 5 different headlines. So I am adding 5 different headlines. Then it's asking for the long headline up to 90 characters. So this is my long headline. Then it's asking for the description. Again, we can add up to 5 different descriptions here. So I have added 3 descriptions. Then it's asking for the name. You can put the business name here. And here add URL options, but here it's like saying to you dynamic ads or retail field is attached to this campaign ID, this, and your ads might not always include all of your text or images. Some cropping or shortening may occur in some format, and either of your custom colors may be used. So just click on add to ad group, so it will save. Then you can click on create campaign. So now it's asking for the confirmation. Just simply click on continue to campaign. So right now we have created one of the dynamic remarketing campaign, and as I have told you that this campaign is only for our previous visitors who visited our website previously.